Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create database using AI. Very simple. Let me show you. At first we are going to go with a prompt. We are going to generate a prompt for this. So for the prompt we are going to go to the chatgpt.com. Maybe you can go with Gemini also or any other chatbot like Claude AI also, but in this case I'm using ChatGPT, and here I'm going to ask for a prompt. Yes. So here, before getting a prompt, what do you have to do? You have to give here all the information about your project. Let's say you want a library management system database. Okay, the .sql file. So you want a table with dummy values, right? So it depends which project you are working on. Like if you are working on Laravel, you can library, you can actually mention here library. Okay, so just for the tutorial purpose, I am going to actually go with very easy process. So the thing is, I'm going to actually say here, so guys, I have write here little information about what I want, basically, and now I have asked for a prompt. In your case, you have to give all the information related to your project and then ask for the prompt. Okay, now hit enter and you will get here a prompt. You can see. So create a complete production ready MySQL database schema for a modern student management system. Now we just have to actually copy here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. So click here, copy. Now we are going to use the AI. So the AI we are going to use here is OpenCode CLI. So I will show you now how you can install OpenCode command line interface. Okay, open the terminal, and if you're from Windows, open CMD. Okay, command prompt, and say here npm then space I space -g space open code -ai add latest. This is for the Windows user, and if you're from Mac, you just have to remove add latest and then go at the very beginning, and here you have to add sudo then space npm I -g open code -ai. Hit enter, then it will install OpenCode CLI in your PC. I already installed it, so I'm going to open it in a specific folder. I'm going to remove this, and I am going to go to the Finder, and I'm going to open it here in the downloads. Create a new folder, and here I want to open terminal, so I'll right click on it and go for the new terminal, add folder, and here I'm going to open OpenCode. Okay, then OpenCode will be open here. You can see now we are going to paste the prompt. Okay, so I'm going to skip it for now. I'm going to paste the prompt. Here you can see pasted. Now I'll hit enter, then it will generate the database for me. Okay, so we'll wait for the project completion. Now I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I'll show you. Alright guys, here you can see it create the database for us. Now if you want to check it, you can actually install XAMPP, and you can add MySQL database. Okay, add this file in the MySQL database. Now let me just check if we got here schema file or not. Here you can see edit. Now let's open it in a code editor. So here you can see a complete table, you can see, with all the dummy values, right? And now if you import this in a database, you can get all the tables here. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.